Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and you are watching Tech with Gajju. Today we are back with another video related to ServiceNow. Today topic is type of flow triggering in the flow designer. So in this session we will discuss about the types of flow we have to trigger and with some example, real-time example in our PDI. So I will open my PDI and I will take one by one. Okay, so this is my PDI, so I will open flow. So we have to open flow designer. Here you can see this is a flow, so we have to create a new flow. Click on new and flow. Now here you can see we just give a name. It's like demo flow and click on build flow. After clicking on build flow, we have to set the today topic is add the trigger condition, right? So as of now you can see we have a record, schedule and application. So in this session I will show you the every each of record we have a create, update and create or update. So I will take one scenario for each in this session. So today we will start with the create one. So you have to click on that one. So our scenario when the incident is created, for example someone create the incident at the time that flow is triggering, right? So we have set the trigger condition is create and we have to select the table is incident. So we have to write the table name. So you have select the incident, or if you want to create any condition based on that one, so you can also add that one. But as of now for this scenario I just take a incident table and click on done. If table is created, after incident created, we just update that short description based on table, right? So we have just write the update the record, and here you can see which record you want to update, right? That record that you created, right? So we have to take from the data, click on the data picker, click on that one, select that record and incident record, right? And after clicking on that add condition, we have to add assignment group ASS. Assignment group should be application, so we have to set that application development, and we have set the short description. Short description should be we can mention demo test, right? And click on done. And after clicking on that you can see here the flow is inactive. So first you have to save that flow. After saving that flow, then we have to activate that flow, then click on activate. There, now that flow is activated. Okay, now it's completed. So just I will click on execution so I can open that one. So side by side you can see as of now execution table is empty, so we have to create one flow. So here you can write incident if you click on incident dot do, then it will directly create a new record, and if you write incident dot list, it will create a list form and in the same page. If you want to open that new page, just like here you click on that one, so incident table is open on the same page, just like here you can see, right? If you click on incident dot list is capital, then it will open in the new tab. Okay, and I will click on that one. Here you can see it will open the new tab, and if you click incident dot just off the cap incident dot do, then it will create a new record. Here you can see we can create a new record. After creating a new record, now condition will trigger, we have to set that if the new record will create, then flow will execute, right? So just we have to create, give that name eval tutor and write the test. Okay, and after that one we have to save that one. Click on save. Okay, after clicking that one, then flow will execute. and we have to refresh that page. Here you can see with that help of flow, the assignment group is updated and demo is updated on the sort description, right? So we can open the execution table and we have to refresh that one. Now here you can see that flow is executed. Click on that one link and then you can see the flow execution. Here you can see the execution of flow, and here you can see the record is like, if you want to open that record, then you can click on that link, you can open that record. Like as of now you can see we have created that record like 001, the same one that we have created here 001, and updated the sort description and the assignment group, right? Here you can see assignment group is there and updated one, right? So click on here. Okay, now we go for the second one, trigger condition. Like we have to just first deactivate that flow. Click on, first I close the alt tab and I will deactivate that flow. Okay, again I create a new flow, create flow, and in that one we have just updating the flow, like we have write demo update. Okay, and then click on build. Now I'm checking the trigger condition is update one. Here you can see first we have check created, then we have check update one, right? So we have to update when take as an incident is there, and if you want to add any condition here, like incident is assignment group, something that one based on the condition it will trigger. Suppose I will taking that assignment group change to, we have mentioned assignment group is change. Okay, at that time it will trigger, and click on action. We have to take action, like we have to, if you want to create that record, then you have to click on create, then you have to write create task and select the table incident task. Okay, and we have take the field name is like incident. Inside the incident table we have to select the table name. Here you can set the dynamic value like a static value, or if you want to set as dynamic that you created, update the incident. Based on that you have to create the incident. So you have to click on the data picker. After clicking on that one you have to select the record incident number, so it will take a record number. And if you want to add any field, like we have to take a sort description, and inside the sort description we pass the assignment group if you want, or we can just like written something like demo test. After writing the demo test, and we have to just click on done, and we have to save that flow. After saving that flow we have just activate that flow. Without activate we can't run that flow. So after activate that flow, then we have to check. Suppose like you have to just click on that one and click on execution, so that we can see flow is execute or not. Now the flow is this flow is triggering when assignment group is changed, right? So here you can see as of now we have already opened that incident. So as of now I can change that assignment group to some other group, like we have write app engine admins, and we have to update that record. Click on save, and okay, after clicking on save, then the record will create it. You can see child. We have to wait, just click on refresh first. Okay, and we have to check the flow is triggering or not based on the condition. Yes, here you can see if flow is triggering, and name is demo update, and click on that one, and you have to check that record also. Click on the operation view. After clicking on the operation view we have to just here go down, and you can say check the create record, right? The record is there and the task number is also present, right? So you can click on eye icon, then you can open that record. That record is here, you can see the incident number is that one, behalf of that incident we have changed the assignment group, that's why it's created. But it's not showing we have to just check in the task table, because in that below we don't have any task related information here. So we are just open that task table here, you can see. So based on we are updating the assignment group, it will create a task, right, with the short description as demo test that we have already mentioned in that flow, right? So I will just show you the condition ones. Like here you can see in the flow we have set the condition like incident. In the incident field we have to just put the incident number, and the short description we have put the demo test, right? After that it will execute. So we just close all things, and just now we have to activate that one. We have to click on activate, deactivate that one, and after deactivate we have to create a one new flow for checking the other trigger conditions. Okay, so we have just click on flow and click on new flow. Same, now we have to test for demo, create and update, create or update. Okay, just click on the flow, and now here you can see we have add the trigger condition. Now we have checked the created one, record create and record update. Now we have to check record create or update, right? Click on that one, and we have to check the condition. Like if you want to like I am working with the incident, so I will just select the table name. You can select the table name based on your requirement. Okay, we have put the incident, and here you want to put the condition for like if record is created or if record is like updated. So here you can say just like assignment group is changed to something like network. Okay, like if assignment group changed to the network group, that at the time it will trigger. Or you can mention like yeah, for that we can just put that condition, and now based on that one we click on some done, and we have to take that action, right? So based on that action we have just if you want to update a record or create a record, so you have to take the just like for example in that one we have to just take as like updating one, update record. So we have take the record that we have created just like here, and we have select the field so that you can update. Just like here you can see short description, like we can inside the short description we can write the assignment group. Click on that one and incident record, and based on incident record we have an assignment group, so we have to take that assignment group and save. Okay, after saving that record, saving that flow, then we have to activate that flow. So without activate you can't execute that flow, right? So first we have to activate. So now here you can see this flow is activated. So we have to just click on the execution so that we can check the execution also. So for that we have already we have an incident. So now here we can see if we can change the assignment group to network cab, and just like click on update or like click on save that record. Now here you can see demo is like short description is demo, but here is taking as the sys id of the assignment group. So if you want to change that table, as like here you can see as of now we can see nothing is executed. Just refresh that page, and here you can see it executed that flow that we have created, like demo, create or update, right? So we have to open that flow. We have just take the assignment group. Better we can take the assignment group with the name, so it will populate the name also. So I will tell you how can we do that one also, how can achieve that things also. Just like here you can see we have just mentioned that group, that's why it populate the sys id. So you can do it. with the flow. Like here you just update the things, click on update by just like here, just like little bit up, click on that one. Now you have to select the name, click on name. Now it will populate the name of that, like click on save name of the assignment group, and we have to just activate that one, click on activate, and again we have to check the schedule execution, right? Click on execution, and now we have an incident, and just now we have to open that one. Okay, now as of now we can see the assignment group is empty and the sort description is unable to access the share folder. So we have to change that assignment group to the network tab managers. After saving that, after set that assignment group, you can just click on save that record. Now after saving that one, so you can just check the flow is executed, take time. After taking time, you can see with that help of flow, the automatically we have set the assignment group to the sort description, right? So I will show you also for in the flow. Now here you can see, just cancel that one. Now as of now you can see the only one flow is executed. We have to refresh that page. Now you can see just now this is executed, so we have to just open that one. Now you can see the details of the flow. Now here you can see update record. Now in that one you can see the first you have seen the sys id for that assignment group. So we don't want to the sys id, so we have take the name. So with that condition, condition we can achieve the name. Okay, so now we have to just close that things, and we have to deactivate again that flow, and we have to check another trigger condition, right? So we just click on studio and click on new, and here you can see click on flow. Now we have to check another condition like schedule based. So we have to write demo schedule, and just click. Okay, and click on build flow. After creating on a build flow, like we have set the add condition. As of now you can see, as of now we have seen this under the record, like create update or create or update, right? Now we can see the record when we have to schedule. So in this video I will show you only one example of the schedule, because if you go for the daily one, it will execute daily. If you go for weekly, so we have to wait for the condition, like it will execute at within the 7 days. If you go for the monthly, then it will take 1 month to execute this flow, right? Not take execute, it will execute in a month, right? At a one time. So runs occur means like it will running every time based on the timing that you configure. So, and if you repeat that flow, then you have to that one. So we have to create one flow for the schedule. So we click on the repeat. Here you can see we can take as a time. If you want to repeat as daily basis, like you have to mention the days in what days, like 2 days within 4 days. So we have to mention the count for that one. So as of now we have to just take as time. So for example, we take as every 8 hours it will trigger, right? So we have just click on done. Okay, and based on that one we have to just create any create task, right? So we have to take that one, table name we just write incident. Okay, and we have take description, we have write short description is like demo repeat. Okay, And one more thing, we have take the assignment group also. Assignment group is like we can give any app engine admin, and we don't need to check any weight, so we just click on done, and we have to save and activate again that record. But this record is not triggered as of now, because right, it will take for every 8 hours. So every 8 hours it will trigger. For now, for testing purpose, I can click on test, and here you can see it will immediately test. If you want to execute that condition, this trigger type is receive no input, and test will flow will run immediately on a test, right? So click on a test. After clicking on that, the flow is executed. Click on that link and you can see the flow, and based on that flow we have to create that flow need to create one task incident. So here you can see that is, here you can see the incident that is created by this that flow, right? Click on the eye icon, and you can see here we have set that description is like for creating incident like demo repeat, and assignment group is that app engine, right? If you want to open that one, you just click on that icon. Here you can see we have a link, but not opening. We just take a name and we have write the incident dot list and press enter, and just now you can see it created just now, right? 1 minute ago, that record, right? So this is repeat demo and assignment group app engine, right? Okay, and I will show you this is executed. So we have to close that one, cancel. Now we have to check another condition, another trigger condition. So we have to deactivate the first. Okay, and we have to just again create a new flow. Just we have to close that flow, click on cancel, click on cancel, click on new, click on flow. Now here you can see we just write a condition for like application demo. Just click on build flow. After clicking on build flow, it will create a new flow. Now here you can see we have set the trigger condition. As of now we can see record, schedule, and now you can check the application. Like we have inbound and service catalog. I can take inbound is the next upcoming section, because I have to set up the inbound email. Just like here you can see I will show you the things like I have not set up the email account as of now. Email account, here you can see, just open that one. Now here you can see I didn't set up any email like inbound and outbound from that, like from, for example, if you want to take email from Gmail, if you send a email to ServiceNow from Gmail, so we have to set up that things. So as of now it didn't set up by me, so I need to set up. Then I will show you that like how to inbound from the flow, right? So for that one we have to just for this flow section we have to take a service catalog. So I didn't take any service catalog, so first I need to create the service catalog, then I will trigger that flow, right? So we just open that one and just click on maintain item, init. You write init and maintain item and click on new. So we are just creating a new service catalog. For example, I've just taking this like we write the flow like demo catalog flow. Okay, we just take as the and category we can take service catalog and lock it. And just I didn't take anything as of now, so we have to just set up the flow. But as of now we have to just click on save, and we have to create the variable also for that flow, so it take time to save. Okay, and Now here you can see we have a flow is there, workflow is there, but as of now we don't have any flow for that catalog, so we have to create that flow. So first I create one variable as of now. So click on new demo catalog flow, and just like we just give any like provide email. Okay, provide email. Just copy that, it take time to load. Yep, copy that one and put here. Okay, and we select the type is email, click on here and provide the order is 1, like order is 100, and save. Like you can say submit that one. Okay, click on submit. Okay, now flow is over, so we have to create one flow, and then that flow we have to trigger, we have to attach here. So we have to take that creating now flow, just like here we have to take as a service catalog and click on done and click on action. So we have to like attach that flow. So what we have to do, we have to just get the variable. So we have so many options here, like here. So you just click on right. If you know the action name, so you can directly name it, get variables. Under the service catalog we have just, you can search by the name, you can get catalog variables. Okay, click on that one. So that we have to select that request, so click on that one and we have to select the trigger and record. This is like we can say that this is a request table that you have select, and come down there, here you can select the template of catalog that you created. As of now I have created one demo one, so you have to write demo catalog and flow, click on that one, and we have take that email, so that we can select that email so that we can use further in the flow. So click on that one and click on done. And after that what we have to do, we have to just click on the action that we have take. If you want to send email, for that one you click write the send email. For that email, click on send email here. Now here you can see you have to write the things like target record. If you want to mention that in the target record, then you can mention, otherwise you can just click on the to. So we just take the value from the catalog, the email ID from here, and we write in subject like demo catalog flow test. Okay, and the same thing we have mentioned in the description, like the body. This is service catalog, and pasted the name. That's it for testing purpose. And we have to click on done, and we have to save it and activate that. Click on activate, and you have to attach that flow in that workflow, not sorry my bad, not workflow, not catalog. So just copy the name and click on the flow. So click on the catalog, and here you can see, if you write the name, or you can search by that search icon. Click on here, then you could select that name, and then you have to save that one, save that catalog. After saving that one, you have to just try it. Click on try it. Now here you can provide the mail ID, just like we have take dev@gmail.com and send submit, create an order. And after clicking on order, then you can see request number is generated. So we have checked that request, right? Go down, this is the RITM. So we have to check the logs. if the flow is triggering or not, right? So we have to click on here the flow, click on execution. After that execution, you can see the flow is triggering, like because the flow is attached to the catalog and you want to check the logs. So you have to come in the front page, like first page, navigator module. Here you write the email log. Under the system logs you can get the email logs also. Click on that one, and if you want, refresh that one so that you can code the things. Here you can see that one that I have created. dev@gmail.com is the recipient, and the subject that we have mentioned, I click on that, open that one so that you can see the mail body of that that we have created, right? Inside the mail, just click on the preview. Here you go down and click on the preview. Here you can see this is the service catalog. A name is demo catalog for test, right? So that much for this video. In upcoming video we are discussing about the, like here you can see we have only triggering condition we have trigger. So now we have take about the actions, like here you can see the click on the actions. So based on requirement, what we have to take, which one we have to select and what we have to do, and what are the use of that action, right? And flows and if conditions, from where we can use if, for each, and do the following until, right? So we have to check and how to make a descent table, that one, and why we use the set flow variables, right? These things we are seeing in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more such video. And one more thing, if you have any question, so please comment in the comment box. I will take it and I will create one video for that one also. Thank you.